This is 40 acres. I bought it for $800 at a tax auction. Today, it is worth over $47,000. How? By understanding exactly what happens the moment you step into that room. But here is the brutal truth. Most people walk into a tax auction and lose thousands before the first bid even starts. Not because they are unlucky, not because the deals were not there, because they do not know the one thing that separates a life-changing deal from a financial disaster. Today, I am showing you exactly what that is. Forget the theories. This is the step-by-step reality of what happens on auction day, how it works, how it feels, and how to walk out with a deed in your hand. Let's go. The night before preparation. Auction day starts the night before. Most people skip this step. The investors who consistently win don't. Pull up your shortlist one more time. The properties you've researched, the ones you are prepared to bid on. For each one, write down 3 numbers on a piece of paper. Your target bid, the price where you get a genuinely great deal. Your acceptable bid, the price where you still make solid money. Your maximum bid, the absolute ceiling you will not cross, ever. Write all 3 down. Fold the paper, put it in your pocket. That paper is your protection against what's coming. Also, confirm payment requirements tonight. Most tax auctions require certified funds, cashier's check or cash. Some counties now accept wire transfers. A growing number have moved entirely online. Know exactly what's accepted. Have it ready. Don't discover the payment requirements standing in line at 8:45 a.m. Step 1. Arrival and registration. Most in-person tax auctions start between 8:30 and 9 a.m. Arrive 30 minutes early. Minimum. When you walk in, you'll find a registration table at the entrance. You'll show a government-issued ID. Some counties require proof of funds, a cashier's check or deposit. You'll sign a form acknowledging the auction terms. You'll receive a bidder number, a paddle, a card, or a printed number. That bidder number is how you're identified during the sale. Guard it. Take a moment to observe the room. You'll see a mix of people. Experienced investors who know exactly what they want and won't say a word about it. Curious. First-timers who showed up without a plan. Real estate attorneys representing clients. Occasionally, county staff observing the process. The room is usually smaller than people expect. Sometimes it's a courthouse basement, sometimes a community room, and sometimes, increasingly, there is no room at all. We'll come back to that. Step 2. The opening. The auctioneer opens the sale with a brief explanation of the rules. Listen carefully. Every word. They will cover the order in which properties will be offered, the minimum bid increments, usually $100 or $500 per raise, payment deadlines, same day or within 24 to 48 hours. What happens to unsold properties and, critically, any last-minute removals from the list? Properties get pulled from tax auctions constantly. Right up until the morning of the sale, an owner pays their back taxes at the last minute. A court order pauses the sale. A title issue surfaces overnight. The auctioneer will announce any removals before bidding begins. Cross those off your list and don't look back. Step 3. The bidding properties are called in order, usually by parcel number. The auctioneer announces the property, address or parcel number, acreage, minimum bid. Then they open the floor. Do I have a bid for $800? This is where it gets real. If it's a property on your list, raise your paddle clearly. Make eye contact with the auctioneer. Don't hesitate. If it's not on your list, stay silent. Every time. Here's how it moves. Someone opens. Another bidder raises. I have $800. Do I have $900? $900 to the gentleman in the back. Do I have $1,000? It moves fast, faster than most people expect. And this is where the biggest mistake happens. Auction fever. The adrenaline, the competition, the fear of losing something you've already started to mentally call yours. It makes rational people do irrational things. Watch other bidders. Are they experienced? Are they hesitating? Sometimes a quick glance tells you whether you're in a real battle or whether you're the only person in the room who wants that parcel. But always keep your eyes on your paper. When bidding reaches your maximum number, you stop. Put the paddle down. Sit back. Let it go. If you won, sold parcel 14-22 to bidder number 47 for $800. Stay in your seat. Raise your paddle to confirm. A county staff member will approach you with paperwork. If you didn't win, it's okay. Review your list. Were there other properties? Did you stick to your maximum? Did you learn something about the room? There will always be another auction. The next deal is already out there. Step 4. If you win the bid. When your number is called, you'll provide your name and address as it will appear on the deed, your bidder registration information, and payment, or confirmation of when payment is due. Most counties require payment the same day. Some give you until 5:00 p.m. Others allow 24 to 48 hours for wire transfers. Whatever the deadline, meet it. No exceptions. Missing payment after winning a bid has serious consequences. You can be banned from future auctions in that county. In some jurisdictions, you can be held liable for the bid amount regardless. Once payment is confirmed, you'll receive one of two things depending on your state. In a tax deed state, you receive a deed. You own the property. In a tax lien state, you receive a tax sale certificate. That certificate gives you rights, but it's not immediate ownership. The original owner may still have a redemption period to pay you back. Know which system your state uses before you walk in that room. Step 5 after the auction. Whether you win or not, there are steps to take after the gavel falls. If you won, first, record your deed immediately. Take it to the county recorder's office and file it the same day if possible. Recording establishes your legal ownership in the public record. Until it's recorded, you're vulnerable. Second, do a title search or purchase title insurance. A title search confirms there are no surprises waiting for you. Even at a tax sale, it's worth the peace of mind. Third, visit the property as soon as possible. See what you actually bought. Confirm road access. Look at the condition. Start thinking about your exit strategy: flip, hold, or lease. If you didn't win, ask the county staff one question before you leave. What happens to properties that didn't sell today? Can I purchase them directly? This is one of the best kept secrets in tax investing. Properties that go unsold at auction often get offered afterward at the minimum bid price. No competition, no auction room energy, just you and the county making a deal directly. Some of the best land purchases in this niche come from the properties nobody wanted on auction day. Online auctions, what's different? A growing number of counties have moved their tax sales entirely online through platforms like Bid4Assets or Gavees. The process is similar. The discipline is the same, but the energy is completely different. You're bidding from a screen instead of a room. The psychological pressure is lower, which is, honestly, an advantage. If your target county runs online auctions, register on the platform early. Fund your deposit account in advance. Set your maximum bids before the auction opens. The same rules apply. The same paper with 3 numbers still goes in your pocket. Let's bring it all together. The night before, 3 numbers. Written down. Arrive early. Register. Read the room. Listen to the opening. Note every removal. Bid with discipline. Stop at your number every time. If you win, record the deed immediately. If you don't, ask about unsold inventory. Online auction. Same system. Lower pressure. Tax auctions are not complicated. They're just unfamiliar until you've been through one. And now you have. If this is the kind of content you want more of, the subscribe button is right there. And it actually helps the algorithm decide whether to show this to more people who need to hear it. Next video: how to flip raw land for profit without ever listing it on the MLS. Using the exact buyer networks serious land investors use. You don't want to miss that one.